Yeah, new advisory just came out, and good news is no longer Category 4. Michael is now a Category 3 hurricane, winds of 125 miles an hour. The center as it passed Mexico Beach around 1:35 this afternoon with winds of 155 miles an hour. And now it's almost into Alabama and Georgia, a very fast-moving system, and that's a good thing, because what it means is less rain will have an opportunity to fall, so flooding won't be quite the issue. Obviously, we had to deal with some serious surge, though, along the coast throughout the afternoon, and for that matter, we continue to see that across Aaron, anyway from, say, Destin, Panama City, all the way back toward Apalachicola and down toward our neck of the woods. So here is the updated track. We were just talking about this. This is a storm that is going to bring Category 2 conditions, possibly Category 3 major hurricane conditions to Georgia. And that's something they have not seen in a long time. Probably one of the top 4 or 5 hurricanes ever to hit the state of Georgia in terms of strength. Here's the bigger picture, eventually going through the Carolinas up near the Delmarva, but it will weaken significantly, so it's going to accelerate. Its forward speed is going to pick up, and that too is a good thing, limiting the amount of rain that's going on. In terms of live Titan Doppler radar, there it is as it moves through. Now, over the last 12 hours, we kind of were able to pinpoint that Tallahassee would be right on the fringe of the extreme winds. You go 20 miles to the west, they had winds gusting well over 100 miles an hour. But around Tallahassee itself, we've had reports of winds gusting to 70 to 80 miles an hour near the airport. A lot of trees down.